Kapoor to share his perspective. Sanjeev is an entrepreneur who excels in corporate event management, and he runs Scorpio Events.
Last speaker, so I need your attentions. Small presentation about my company. It's all marketing. Thank you. I've given a subject, how to be grounded in social value in business operations. Before I start on my topic, I love to give a little bit background about my company, what we do, and how we are doing impacting a social value in our, how do we do a business operations. We are a small company, not a big corporate. We are a very small company. We have only 20-25 people who take care of the events and their operations. Very small office in Marathalli, and okay, before we start, I think that's happened when our client events happens. We're a corporate event specialist. We do usually events for corporates only who do the employee days, product launches, financial summit, incentive tour, etc. And what we do in our business operations, in a social value, we have made a very clear policy for making a transparency. Transparency in you can say making a quotation, giving them a brief, telling them what they need, what they don't need. It's very transparent. What we give them in a quotation, we will deliver them with the full transparency. So that is the first thing we'll, yeah, a final scheme. Next slide, please. Next. Okay, this I already told that we are a event management company. Our mission is something is going wrong with my presentation. Yeah. या थैंक यू अभी भी अपना भी भाग रहा है वो मेरे से ज़्यादा फास्ट है आई थिंक दे वांट मी टू फिनिश फास्टर सो वी आर a nearly team of 25 people as I mentioned. Something goes on wrong. Don't worry. So it's saying how we manage the activities. We usually do the same way with other business start. We take a brief from the client. we'll understand their requirement. Based upon their requirement, we'll make a quotation. We will sublet the job to the team. In team, I can say what the social business, what we do in a social impacting. We have a small team, 20, 25 people, but when we get a big event, we hire a team from a local colleges. The interns will take from the event management school or business, the students who are doing MBAs. We hire people who are retired or houseworking wives who are not able to work regularly. You can say pregnant females and the migrated females who are just recently migrated to the cities. We even try to hire transgenders also, but till now we not got success, but we are on a process of that also. By giving them a job, we get a more hands doing an event execution. So this is our fun one way we execute the event operations. I believe in CSR means is enable people to rise. By that way, we have in our office, we don't have any peon system, we don't have any watchman system, we don't have any office boy in our office. We have a team, we recruit them when they come, the driver comes, we want a driver job, people came, so we want a watchman job. We enable them to rise. We hire them as a watchman, as a driver, but we teach them, we train them that they become a part of our team in operations and event execution. And the big example, my team is already here, the show which is taken care by my team members. You can interact with them. They are from the rural backgrounds. They are drivers, they are a watchman, they are a laborer, but right now they are supporting me in event alone, and I am sitting just quietly over there. So for me, the CSR is basically enable people to rise, make people train so that they can impact society. They can, yes, obviously they can earn money. Leave it. I think so. It's not happening. It's not happening. Either you go on a pictures or whatever we have done. Lots of experiment already done. What we other do for a social building in operations, we do keep doing a networking. We do keep networking with our vendors first, to whom we sublet the job, to understand their challenges and make them familiar with the upcoming challenges. What we do at networking with the competitors also. We have event management, other event management company also. The best part, I found it out, I try to find out. I make a WhatsApp group. Through WhatsApp group, every 3 months I'll call them for a tea, coffee and party at my place or somewhere central place. We keep meeting them, we keep understanding them, what are the challenges they are facing, what way we can improve all together. We're trying to make an association where we can get a benefit to not to get blackmailed by the celebrity or star, because we hire celebrities also, not to blackmail by the client who sometimes back out from the paying the money after execution of event. We also stopped getting harassed by the vendors also, and moment they give a hand, we can't do, we can do. And the beneficial part, we get an employees poaching, because employee find that company is giving us a good opportunity, why don't we jump from here to there. By doing this networking, we have stopped doing on that. That is again a social impact. The employees are becoming more loyal and pillars of the company. They're seeing their future bright in the same company, and they not work as an employee, they work as an entrepreneur over there. There are few of my past events which I have done in my currently 13-year careers. I believe only if leader thinks of themselves as a builder of social value, then only they master today's change and the challenges. So I believe if we try to if we think कि हम अपनी टीम को we can build it up, we can give them a platform where they can come up, they can rise and can help others to make them rise. I think that is for me is a CSR, because I'm not currently falling in the criteria of CSR. I don't donate any money, I don't give any percentage to the government other than my service tax and income tax. This is, I feel, basically from my side, a contribution to the society. And this I'm keep doing the way we am doing this, even as a knows that I'm doing this even for a zero cost. It's a social value impact I'm doing, trying to do that. If somebody has the non-commercial value event where they need a support of some event logistic, I'm ready to help. I'm here to help you out. I think that's all from my side. Any question for me, so you can please.
Will you do it as part of the panel?